guys, welcome to the Brisbane Truck Show.
The Brisbane Truck Show is held every 2 years and is a major event for the transport industry.
Capral Aluminium are a leading supplier to the transport industry across Australia. We're experiencing a lot of customers coming from as far away as Western Australia, internationally and other states to look at our range of rolled and extruded product.
When it comes to the transport industry, Capral Aluminium is a key supplier, and many of our products can be seen on the trucks here today. It's great to see that Capral has a strong presence at this premier event.
When it comes to the use of aluminium in the transport market, it is all here on display at the Brisbane Truck Show. Everything from aftermarket accessories like aluminium bull bars to aluminium tip trucks, and also freighters with lightweight aluminium flooring. Let's go have a look.
If you're visiting the Brisbane Truck Show this week, be sure to come and see us at the Capral stand.